In this video, we will see how integrate Codex in our editor to make the project very quick. Let's see the video. In the browser, search Codex and select it. In the web page we can see the Codex, what it can do, all the details. What are all the available options to integrate Codex in our project? We can install it in the Windows app, integrate in our IDX or in the terminal.
Editor. Let me put in a terminal so we can use it. In this, I'm going to show you how to use in the IDX.
Let's open the VS Editor and check how to add it there.
Here you can code the extension.
In the extension, search Codex and install it.
Codex. So OpenAI. I'm already installed it.
After successful installation of Codex in the editor, we can see a Codex in the right side. There it asks to sign in. After successful sign in, we can use it.
You can ask.
In the prompt we can give what is our requirement and type it. Based on it will generate the code by checking all the files in our project. I'm giving comment to add the grid in the page and get the data from the server. Starts checking the file.
Possibility to add the data in the commands. Everything it will check in this file. So it acts like an agent. It has access to all the files here, so it will check all the data. This project is basically on a web. So it's checking for the data. So you can verify it has been right here already. Wait, yes, so that we don't need to generate the data here. It will generate. But it has been added here. So I can cut this data as from server, and then I will put CSS created here. And then TSX index styles, your things are in here. Okay, you see the data has been added here also. You can see it. TSX. Just running the project now. See, this is the web page created now. Let's see the style also here. You can apply the data, row, delete, everything has been added here as per our requirement. That's all easy. You can use Codex and then it will easily update all the data. After the extension has been set, it asks for to login. The login, then you can able to successfully use it. That's it. Thank you.